Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install HP Scan and Capture in Windows 10. Open Microsoft Store. Type HP Scan and Capture in Store search bar. Click HP Scan and Capture. Click Get. Click Install. Click Launch. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.